Hello again and welcome back. Today we'll be making shortbread in the Thermomix, but with my own recipe.
Hello! This afternoon we're going to make shortbread.
Hang on, I can see there's a recipe down here. Are we going off piste?
We are going off piste because my recipe is better than the one in the machine. And I want to show you, if you have your own recipes, that you can go off piste and you can make anything your own. The easiest way is to find a similar recipe and follow the stages and the speeds that way, as if you were doing it from there. But right now I'm making I'm putting 250 grams of plain flour. This makes a really short, crumbly, delicious shortbread. And I got it from a Scot, so it must be good. I've been using it for years. I just put in a little bit too much there. Give me a sec. Next, I've mixed rice flour and semolina, fine semolina, and this gives it the little crunch that we want. Next is the sugar. In it goes. Next, butter. So it's equal butter and flour and equal sugar and corn flour. I've chopped this up. It's quite cold. Shortbread is a little bit like pastry and it likes to be cold. In it goes, insert measuring cup. Next, 10 seconds and it's going to blitz it on speed 6. That's what we've got now. And what the machine's going to do is just knead it. And this is the kneading function here. It's going to be 20 seconds kneading. And all I need to do is turn the dial. So with shortbread, you can either make biscuits. So you roll out the nibs and make biscuits. This is a greased tray. Or you can grease around and press it into a tin. Entirely up to you. I'll see you again in a minute. So the machine has done the kneading for us, and that's what we get. And if you know it's done, because if you press it together, it holds. So in order to get it out of the machine, out of the bowl, I'm going to twist that and let the blades drop out with the mixture. And just scoop the rest of that out. There are the blades. The mixture off, and then all I need to do is bring that together and then leave it to rest in the fridge for about half an hour, and then I'll see you again. So my cameraman has disappeared to take a call to work from home. So I'm just showing you it's rested. I've cut it about 1/4 of an inch, rolled it to about 1/4 of an inch, and yeah, cut it out, put it on a baking tray, 10 minutes in the oven, and we'll see what it looks like in 10 minutes. So here they are, fresh out of the oven, just a little bit golden around the edges. I've sprinkled them with a little bit of caster sugar, and now I'm just making little miniature ones that are ideal, a couple of which are ideal with a cup of tea. Save me eating the gigantic ones. I think we might distance deliver these to the neighbours. There was a request last week, so that's what we'll do. Okay, bye for now. That's shortbread.
Thank you so much for watching. If you need to know more, you know where I am.